Hey there, young explorers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python programming. Yes, I'm talking about Python, not the snake, but a super cool language that computers understand. Now, you might be wondering, what is syntax? Well, imagine you're writing a secret code to your friend, and if you misspell a word, your friend won't understand it, right? Syntax is just like that. It's a set of rules that tells the computer exactly what you want it to do. If you make a mistake, the computer gets confused. That's called a syntax error. Let's try writing our first Python code together. We're going to make your computer display a message. On the Code Funhouse editor, type exactly this print: "Hello world." The word print tells the computer to display whatever is inside the brackets and quotation marks on your screen. Go ahead and click Run. Did you see Hello World pop up? Fantastic! You just wrote your first line of code, but what happens if you misspell something? Let's try it out. Type prinit hello world and run it. You probably got an error, didn't you? That's because prinit isn't a command in Python. The computer doesn't understand it, and that's a syntax error. Remember, every single character matters in coding. A missing comma, a misspelled command, or even an extra space can confuse the computer. But don't worry, every programmer makes mistakes, and finding them is just a part of learning. So, keep experimenting, keep coding, and most importantly, have fun doing it. Catch you on the next adventure into the world of programming at Code Funhouse. Bye for now.